Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 9 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see what are the energies coming to you for this week. Para sa mga Aquarius. What's up? The shadow. Oh, so I think this is about awareness, no? Mas nagiging aware ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin or improve sa sarili mo. So this entails shadow work. Oo. So maaring aware ka na kailangan i-cut off mo na yung mga taong toxic sa buhay mo or i-cut off mo na yung mga i-release or i-let go mo na yung mga unhealthy habits mo na yan yung pumipigil sa pag-unlad mo or paglago mo. So it's like being aware of the things that are no longer serving your highest good. Okay? You also have ancient wisdom. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na parang meron kayong kakayanan na magbigay ng opinion or advice sa ibang tao. It's like a wise person or someone na pwedeng kayo ay isang teacher or mentor, coach, or someone in the spiritual community na you can also be doing spiritual healing or you are also doing spiritual work for your community. Oh, you are so connected to the source, Aquarius. Some of you nagkakaroon kayo ng major transformation, major spiritual awakening, especially that Pluto is in Aquarius right now. So, talagang major changes that are happening sa inyo. More on spiritual kasi to eh. So, pwedeng may mga nare-realize ka about yourself. You are waking up. No? Na dating may mga bagay na sinusunod ka or pinaniniwalaan ka na ngayon nagbabago kasi kina-question mo na kung ano, totoo ba yun or do you resonate with that belief system? So, ngayon nagbabago na yan. Okay, so let's see what else for you, Aquarius. Tignan natin ang overall energy mo for this week. Oh, yeah. You have the Tower. Meron kang parang old system sinisira mo, no? Or parang you are, anong tawag doon? Destroying the old system, ganyan. Or, alam mo yung the old ways, anything that is no longer serving your highest good. So, you are bringing change into your life dahil you are awakening. So, I think ito yung part ng shadow work mo na yung dating ikaw is parang nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo to a much better version. Let's see your challenge o dalawa yung challenge mo. You have the Two of Cups and the Ten of Wands. Some of you, ang challenge ninyo is yung mga responsibilities. Maaring marami kayo ngayong responsibilities na parang nakakapagod, ano ba, sino bang tutulong sa'yo. Kasi some of you, yung mga inaasahan yung tutulong sa'yo is sa inyo is hindi kayo natutulungan. Maaring parang kahit na responsibilidad na siya ng iba, inaako mo pa rin. So, syempre, you have to set boundaries, no? Na kung alam mo na hindi mo na yon responsibility, then let that person know ano yung dapat niyang gawin para sa sarili niya na hindi niya kailangang ipasa sa'yo. So, some of you, maaari rin magkaroon ng challenge sa relationships ninyo. This can be sa partnership with your business partners or sa inyong romantic partner, sa family member. Dahil parang meron dito na hindi tumutulong or parang walang naiaambag. So, minsan napo-frustrate kayo sa ganun. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Ten of Pentacles. So, as an opportunity, meron kang kakayanan na palaguin yung finances mo, mas maging maganda yung takbo ng career mo, ng business mo, and ng family mo. So, some of you maaring may opportunity na to be with your family, to have fun with your family. Yung tipong gagastos kayo for your family para magkaroon kayo ng maayos na event or activities together na mas magiging close kayo sa isa't isa. Oo, parang reunion, ganyan. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, if meron kayong kailangang ayusin related sa inyong inheritance, no, yung mga ari-arian ng parents nyo, so may opportunity kayo ngayon na ayusin yan, lalo na yung mga napapamanahan na dyan, na binibigay na sa'yo yung responsibilidad na asikasuhin yung mga ari-arian nila. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? Oh, you have the King of Wands. As a blessing, you're going to be more creative. Marami kang plans. Some of you, blessing of travel. Ito blessing of going to different places or pag-abroad. So, kung meron kang plano na makapag-abroad, so maaring isa yung blessing sa'yo. May magandang balita na darating sa'yo about your application. Some of you naman, business ito na talagang ipupursu nyo na, no? Magiging parang mag-move na, no? Uusad na yung pagpaplano nyo sa business. Let's see what else. Oh, you have the ring. Sabi baka yung iba sa inyo, merong papasuking commitment. Meron kayong commitment na papasukin or anything related sa commitment mo sa isang tao, sa isang bagay ay kailangan mong harapin this week. Oo. Yung mga responsibilities. You have Cavalier. This is a messenger to. Maaring meron kang marireceive na importanteng mensahe this week from someone, pwedeng from abroad or from your family. You also have mice. Nako. So, some of you maaring magkaroon ng like parang challenge when it comes to pera, no, na nag-i-involve ng maraming tao. Example, palawagan, ganyan. So, sumali ka sa palawagan, so pwedeng magkaroon ng issue doon na may hindi nagbabayad ng maayos, naguhulog ng maayos, things like that. Pwede rin namang sa business partnership to na may mga hindi kayo na pagkakaintindihan, no? Oo. So, maari ring merong sumabotahe sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon. So, make sure na kung yung mga plano mo or ginagawa mo ngayon ay ikukwento mo sa iba, make sure na pagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi yung iba kasi may halong inggit na halimbawa, maplano mo pa lang, tapos nai-evil eye agad, tapos hindi na natutuloy na jinx. So, pag may mga magaganda kang plano, just keep it to yourself muna kasi hindi nawawala yung mga mga dream stealers or yung mga taong pwedeng mag-discourage sa'yo. So, sa money, career, finances, may rewards. Your hard work is paying off, Aquarius. Your performance is gaining attention in your community. So, if you are working or ang career path mo related sa social media or meron kang certain following or meron kang community, no? So, mas napapansin ka ngayon. Yan, rewarding yan for you. Yung iba, pwedeng this is related to what you do online. Let's see. Yung love life. Clarity. Ayan. May kaliwanagan ka na sa relationship mo, connection with someone. Everything makes sense now. So, naiintindihan mo na yung sitwasyon mo. Bakit nangyari yon? Bakit hindi nangyari yon? Ano yung dapat mong gawin? So, malinaw na sa'yo. Ano man tong kinakaharap mo related sa relationship, sa connection, sa friendship, sa romantic. Okay? You have listen to your intuition to receive a message from the world of spirit or a friend. Yes. So, yung instinct mo ngayon, yan yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng senyales, ng mensahe, para makapag-decide ka kung ano yung gagawin mong actions moving forward. Okay? This will be your guide. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!